rhythm of innovation, we craft more than bicycles. We shape tomorrow's possibilities. Where lean thinking meets bold vision, every movement is purposeful, every process refined. Efficiency flows like poetry as we transform the art of making. Intelligence pulses through our core, where data dances with creativity and smart systems harmonize with human touch. Digital dreams become reality as we paint the future stroke by digital stroke. In our world, green isn't just a color, it's the canvas of our future. Sustainable choices, renewable energy, and zero-waste dreams flow through everything we create. This is more than manufacturing. This is the art of possibility. This is Giant Group, where every innovation carries us closer to tomorrow.